All right, so this is going to be a quick video on authorizing any of the FBAExcel tools here. And the process is pretty much identical. The first step, and this is really just a one-time thing, is you need to decide on a free Google Drive email, and it does need to be a free Google account. The workspace accounts don't seem to work as well, so just create a dummy account if you don't have one that you can use, and this account will be used by your team, so they'll need to have access to the logins to be able to use the tools and kind of authorize them. So you can watch this video here if you need help setting up your Google Drive account, but it's free and most people know how to do that. So outside of that, the ad tactics guide, there will be a section in there of written step-by-step instructions on how to kind of authorize the tools, but it's really simple and straightforward. You're just going to click on the blue button here. Now, if you're already logged into the Google Drive account that you set up, when you click that button, it's just going to allow you to click make a copy, and it's going to save it directly then into that Google Drive account. If you're not logged in, I think when you click that button, you will be prompted to first log into that Google Drive account. So you just want to make sure you pick the free Google account that you set up, and you need to make sure kind of once the tool loads, you hover over this icon and just triple check that that email is in fact the Google account that you're wanting to use going forward, because sometimes you can accidentally save it to like a personal Google account or something like that, which we don't want. So outside of that, it's pretty simple. You're just going to enter your email here on the settings tab, and every tool has the same input cell, and all we're looking for there is your FBAExcel members area email. So this will be the same email that you signed up with that may or may not match your Google Drive account that you're wanting to kind of store all the tools into. So just kind of understand the difference there and go ahead. In my case, they actually are the same, so I'm just going to grab the email and pop that in here, and all you'll do is click authorize. And the very first time you click authorize, you're going to need to grant Google permissions to run all the scripts on your account. So that's not really on our end, that's on Google's end. You'll get a little authorization required prompt here. If for some reason this doesn't show up the first time, just go ahead and click refresh on your browser, give it like 5-10 seconds to load the sheet, and click authorize again, and it should pop up. So I'm going to hit OK, and then all you have to do is you're basically granting permissions to yourself. So choose your email, you'll click advanced, you'll click go to ad tactics, you'll click continue, you'll click select all, and then you'll scroll down and click continue there. And again, that's just a one-time thing. So once that finishes, you'll get this prompt. It's basically just explaining that, hey, this is the Google account that you're logged into right now. And it lists back to you your members' email. So you just need to kind of confirm that this is your setup going forward, because we're going to link your account here when we click this yes button. So just kind of confirm that. You can watch this video too if you need a little more guidance here, but it's pretty straightforward. Just click yes, and you'll get a little pop-up here. One thing to bring your attention to, that going forward, all you'll need to do to get the menu to come up is just click the authorize button. You don't need to go through any of these steps that we're going through now. This is just a one-time thing. So I'm going to hit OK. All right, and now you can see the menu displays, and we get your account is linked. All right, so this video here is just going to cover, again, how to get the menu to pop up going forward, but it's very easy. Like if I hit refresh, it'll be a pretty straightforward example. So we have no menu, we let the sheet load, give it like 5 seconds or so. You know, this email is going to stay in there, so you don't need to change anything. You're just going to literally click authorize, and we should see the menu pop up there, which we do, and you're going to get a authorized confirmation that just kind of goes back over your which tools and stuff you're signed up for. So pretty easy, and all the tools follow the same structure. So if you're looking at another tool and not in ad tactics, literally just follow these exact same steps and you should be good. If you do run into any issues though, just reach out to our email support and we can hop on a quick call and help you out and get you settled. So I appreciate it. See you on the next training. Cheers.